Good morning, my dear students. Please take out your Active English book, Chapter 6, Exercise number 4. In the previous video, we had done the exercise beginning with but and omitting the word although. Now here we have to begin the sentences with the word although and omit the word but. Read the sentences given below and begin each sentence with although, do not use but. Although it was a holiday, comma, the men and women were working. Begin the sentence with omitting although. It was raining heavily and instead of the comma there put the word but the game of football continued. Although it was raining heavily, the game of football continued. The desk was heavy, but Mohan was able to carry it. Now again we have to begin all the sentences with the word although, omitting the word but. Although the desk was heavy, comma, Mohan was able to carry it. The bus was full, but two men tried to get on. Although the bus was full, two men tried to get on. The king cobra is very poisonous, but it does not usually attack people. Although the king cobra is very poisonous, it does not usually attack people. Please do these exercises in your English 1 notebook. Now take out exercise number 8 of chapter 7. Active English chapter 7. Exercise number 8. Finish each of the sentences using the two endings which are given below. Now in front of the sentences there are two endings. Just see, I have not seen her. There are two endings. Last week, 6 days. Now you have to write the sentences using these two endings. Now here you have to use since and for. Now you will use the word since with those sentences which shows a definite point of time. Please remember, sentences telling you about definite point of time. For example, since May, since Monday, since Tuesday, since last week, since my father came. It is telling you an exact point of time. And for you will use for definite period of time. Period of time means it can be duration. Period means duration of time. 2 years, 2 months, 6 months, 6 years, 1 decade, like that. Is it clear? Since for the definite point of time, when we have the exact point of time, you will use since, and for definite duration of time, that is period of time, you will use for. Now let us do, I have not seen her last week, 6 days. I have not seen her since last week. I have not seen her for 6 days. Number 1, I have not been to Srinagar 6 months last July. I have not been to Srinagar. We'll use since with last July because it is telling us the exact point of time. I have not been to Srinagar for 6 months because it is telling us the period or the duration of time. I have not been in a train years I was a boy. I have not been in a train since I was a boy. I have not been in a train for years. We have not been to the cinema since father took us. We have not been to the cinema since father took us. We have not been to the cinema for 2 years. It has not rained 4 months, April. It has not rained since April. That means it has not rained since April is telling you the definite point of time. It has not rained for 4 months. It is telling you the duration or the definite period of time. So we will use the word for. They have lived in New Delhi 4 years, 2014. They have lived in New Delhi since 2014. They have lived in New Delhi for 4 years. Now do these exercises in your English 1 notebook. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.